I've been exploring the Lotto Results mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Lotto Results is a simple companion app for lottery players who want quick access to winning numbers and jackpots for Powerball, Mega Millions, and many state games across the US. It is aimed at people who regularly check results and like having everything in one place instead of visiting multiple lottery websites. The core experience centers on viewing the latest winning numbers, jackpots, drawing history, and basic prize details, with support for a wide range of states and multi-state games in a single interface. You can switch locations, show or hide specific games, and tap into recent draws, which makes it handy if you track multiple lotteries or travel between states. This convenience, combined with fast updates after drawings and a long track record, explains its strong 4.7 out of 5 rating from around 12,000 users, with many praising its reliability and ease of use. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers mention that searching for older results could be smoother, and the app does not offer more advanced tools like checking tickets by entering your numbers. Because it is ad-supported, the experience may feel a bit cluttered at times, and there is limited information about responsiveness of customer support beyond the provided email and website. Overall, if you value quick, no-frills access to lottery results across many US states, it is a solid choice as long as you are comfortable with ads and do not need deeper features like automatic ticket checking. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.